Welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop, and a bit of a lazy Sunday. I hadn't really planned on doing anything today, but I popped into my workshop, and as you do, you start moving stuff around. And I ended up having a bit of a tidy up, and I thought I'd just do a quick show around, see what my workshop now looks like. I want to put a picture up of what it did look like. Yeah, as you can see, it was a bit of a mess. I finally got round to going to my workshop and dropping some stuff there, tip runs. It's going to be a quick video. I'm just proud of myself. So my crop area was absolutely caked still with boxes and rubbish from Christmas, so it's had a bit of a tidy up. Still needs a deep clean, this one, but at least I can get to things I need to. I've also relocated one of these drawer things from that was in the main workshop. Just put it on there because there's a bit of wall space there, so we're running with that. Right, workshop. You can see from the picture, much tidy. Got rid of that CRT TV. It's broken and it's gone down to my workshop to be looked after. I got rid of. I picked one of these up. I made a little holder for it out of some pipe, just so it's there. I got rid of the box. Got rid of a few other boxes. There's a few other bits and pieces that need to be reorganising. I can now get to the charging points for all of this. What else have I done? Obviously, these still need a bit of going through. These need a bit going through. I don't know if you've seen, I've had a massive big blue cushion sitting here. It's for the dog for the van. It's gone in the van. Talking of the van, I also did some work on that as well. Got a couple of boxes here. They're the stereos, the CD players I need to finish off looking at. Got a couple of boxes there. They're for a future review that my mates lent me, so I've got that to do. But now I've got some space to do that. I've actually got some workspace. Everything's in a bit of a clean. I've had a little bit of a reorganising here, basically, because I can actually put these in here rather than just being laid somewhere else. Bit of a tidy up, surface clean. I'm just a bit happier spending some quality time having a tidy up, because how often do we do that? We just get stuff stacked and stacked and stacked and stacked, to a point where we work in a little tiny little space, aren't you? Trying to do everything. So I think that was a well worth, I don't know, a couple of hours just tinkering. I do like tinkering in my shed. But yeah, add to that, I've done some jobs on the camper van. Fixed the horn, dead easy. Fix that. That's now working, so you can go and fix MOT. Just some little bits and pieces. I had a buzzing speaker, so I've took the speaker shelf off, blown it out with that. It seems to have fixed that. Little niggly things I've been bringing to do for ages, and I thought I've got a Sunday, we'll do the lot, and I ended up tidying in there as well. Even I had Finn helping me out. Well, he's just turned up now at the end of it, obviously. What did I say? Tidy space, tidy mind. I'm much happier now. I've got workspace. I've got a couple of projects I need to start. One's going to need some space because I need to just strip some paint off something. So it needs to be laid somewhere for a few weeks. But yeah, as in that was it. Just a quick one, just to say, if you've got a workshop, one of these sometimes is just what you need to reset into and start thinking about new projects. So, made it this far. Thanks for watching. Cheers.